Ever found yourself on an epic search for your car keys or phone? Annoying, isn't it? Now imagine misplacing a billion years of history. Yup, that's exactly what our planet did, since there's a colossal blank spot in our history. This gap, known as the Great Unconformity, represents a missing chapter in Earth's geological timeline, where significant events and changes have seemingly vanished without a trace. It spans different locations around the world, from the Grand Canyon in the United States to the crystalline rocks of the Inner Gorge. Scientists have been intrigued by this enigma for decades. They believe that understanding this gap could reveal crucial details about Earth's formation, the development of its crust, and the environmental conditions that prevailed billions of years ago. Theories abound, from massive erosion events to tectonic shifts that might have wiped out entire geological records. Some researchers even speculate that the answers could lie in the planet's ancient climate cycles or the impact of extraterrestrial bodies. In today's episode, let's dive deep into this enigma, exploring the theories and investigations scientists are pursuing to unravel this billion-year mystery. Join us as we journey through time and space to piece together the clues of our planet's forgotten past and understand why this mystery matters not just to scientists, but to all of us who call Earth home. So if you've ever dug a hole, you know the deeper you go, the older things get. This is due to deposition and cementation, processes that create sedimentary rock over millions of years. Each layer represents a different geological era, capturing moments in time like pages in a book. It's like traveling through time, seeing the history of our planet unfold beneath our feet. Within these layers of rock, fossils silently tell the tale of our earthly history, preserving the remains of ancient plants and animals that once roamed the planet. These fossils provide invaluable insights into the evolution of life and the environmental conditions of past ages. Through careful study and analysis, scientists can reconstruct ancient ecosystems, understand climate changes, and even decipher how past organisms interacted with their surroundings. This deep time perspective enriches our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability over eons. However, our history isn't that straightforward. Sometimes pauses in time occur, much like hitting pause in recording during a long conversation. During these pauses, moments get lost, leaving gaps in our record. These gaps can obscure pivotal events, leading to a fragmented and sometimes misleading understanding of our past. For instance, entire civilizations can vanish from the historical narrative, significant battles can be forgotten, and groundbreaking discoveries can go unacknowledged. It's in these spaces that the true complexity of our history can be found, waiting to be rediscovered and understood. By filling in these gaps, we gain a richer, more nuanced view of the past, allowing us to better appreciate the intricate tapestry of human experience. When these interruptions happen, we get what our trusty geologists call an unconformity. These are visible discrepancies in the rock layers and can represent gaps of millions of years. Unconformities occur when sediment deposition is halted, erosion removes previously formed layers, or when no new sediments are deposited for extended periods. These gaps provide crucial insights into the geological history and the dynamic processes that shape our planet. For example, during these periods of non-deposition or erosion, significant geological events might have occurred, such as shifts in climate, tectonic activity, or sea level changes. By studying unconformities, scientists can unravel the complex history of Earth, piecing together events that happened millions of years ago. They are essential for understanding the temporal sequences of geological formations and for interpreting the environmental conditions that prevailed during those ancient times. And then we hit the mother of all unconformities, Powell's Great Unconformity, spanning an entire continent with a billion years missing. This significant geological feature, first identified by explorer and geologist John Wesley Powell, reveals a complex history of erosion and deposition. It marks a dramatic gap in the rock record, where ancient rocks are juxtaposed against much younger layers, leaving us with a tantalizing mystery. This gap has intrigued scientists for decades, prompting extensive research and debate about the forces and events that could have caused such a massive temporal discontinuity in the Earth's geological history. This mighty enigma isn't just isolated to one location. Similar unconformities have been found across the globe, from the deserts of Africa to the mountains of South America. These perplexing geological features challenge our understanding of Earth's history. So what could explain this earth-shattering mystery? Enter the Snowball Earth theory. Picture the Earth's surface covered in glaciers and ice sheets stretching from the poles to the equator. This blanket of ice caused erosion on a massive scale, grinding down mountains and scouring the landscape. This colossal icy face scrub essentially erased a billion years of geological history, leaving behind a dramatically altered planet. Interestingly, the period following this big freeze witnessed the biggest explosion of life in our planet's history, known as the Cambrian Explosion. During this time, a multitude of new and complex organisms began to appear in the fossil record. Was the influx of nutrient-rich minerals from the eroded rock a catalyst for this sudden burst of evolutionary energy? Maybe. Scientists continue to study this phenomenon to understand the intricate factors that spurred such rapid diversification of life. But remember, it's just a theory. The mystery of the Great Unconformity continues and leaves us with a tantalizing question mark. Could it be that a billion years of our history is lost forever, at the bottom of the ocean, or waiting to be discovered in a new way? The layers of rock and sediment hold clues that scientists are eager to decode, and every discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling this ancient puzzle. Only time will tell what secrets the Earth still holds beneath its surface. Until then, stay curious, stay fascinated. Keep exploring the wonders of our world, and never stop questioning the unknown. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting mysteries and discoveries. We greatly appreciate your support and love hearing from you, so feel free to leave comments and suggestions. And as always, thanks for watching.